Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate or create talking videos only with the help of AI in Captions AI. So in here, what you need to do is open the Captions.ai on your browser, and this page will be open. You can see you can generate and edit talking videos with the help of AI. So if you are afraid of a camera, you can just use this, and you can use the face of someone else to create a talking videos. So what you need to do is just tap on get started on the page, and here you need to log in with your Gmail or your emails or maybe your Apple, and this page will be open after you sign in or sign up. So to create a talking videos, you can just tap on this AI creators option. So just tap on that. You can see this is the easiest way to generate talking videos and AI ads without being on camera. So I'm going to just click on the prompt to video. Here you can try step something to generate a speech. For example, here I'm going to just write okay, so here I use this prompt. Create a short video featuring a woman dressed in formal outfit talking about benefits of being a content creator. Use engaging language to attract the audiences. So you can try this, or you can also try to be more specific if you want to. Now you can just click on the arrow and just wait in here. You can see now that the Caption AI will write you the script. This is the AI script. You can first read the script. If you like it, you can continue. If you're not, you can just add it on your own. I'm going to just continue. Click on edit style. Here you can select a creator. For example, I'm going to just use Kate. After you choose the creator, you can choose the captions template. I'm going to use on focus in here, this one. And after you choose both creator and caption templates, just click on generate video. So you can see it's progressing. Now you can just wait until the Caption AI finishes creating your project. Okay, so the video is finished. You can just click on the video to see the result, and here you can also edit the video. Let's just play it.
Lights, camera, action.
So this is the result.
I'm standing here in my power suit, but let me
it's still loading, but that's basically it. If you want to export without watermark, you need to buy or subscribe to the Caption AI first. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.